Well, hello guys, my name is Nick and welcome to part 6 of this massive auction unboxing. This is already what we have done. We still need to do all of this. It's gonna take a couple more weeks. Oh well, so we've did this in the last episode. Please go to the comments, not the description down below to see the previous parts. And if you're interested in any of these, please let me know and we could work out a price. No, not everything's for sale, disclosure. And, sorry, getting down on my knees again. Let's start with this box. We'll continue this box. We have the Ford F-150. Looks complete. Nice car. With a stand. I need to reposition myself again. Getting old. Then we have a Jaguar. This is an XKR, I think. No, XK8. I really need to... I love cars, I promise. I know lots about cars, but I just miss the names. Next we have a Porsche. This is an original 911, I think. No, it is not. It's a 3556B. First look at the cars, then try to guess the name. Now this is a Ford. A Ford... It doesn't say it. Oh, it's a Scorpio, obviously. Then, my dream car, a VW Beetle. The auctioneer spec this and some models are going to be, well, the boxes. And I hate it for them, but oh well, this is a Chevrolet Corvette. Why would they put the cardboard under the metal cars? Don't know. We have a Ford Sierra GRA, Group A. I think that's supposed to be what that is. Oh, words. €5. €5. Who buys it? Who buys it? This is a Corgi Morris Traveller. Actually, really love this car. Love the old English cars. A Dodge Viper. We have a Corvette, Chevrolet Corvette convertible. I hate it that the boxes are a little bit squished, but oh well. Then we have a Ford Escort Rally 4x4 from Michelin. BMW 535i. Going to try to straighten out some of these boxes because that's horrible. A Fiat Bravo. That's a change of pace. Oh, by the way, it's getting dark. I need to worry. A truck. Just a regular truck. Another Dodge Viper. BMW X5 from Smart Toys. Nice car. This person, because this all is from it's a deurwaarders auction, a seasting auction. When you can't pay your bills, they come and get it. So this one did yard sales, I think. Then we have a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 6 in the box. But the bottom is ripped, so that's a shame. We have a Corvette. A Ford V8 pickup. Let's get the small ones out first. Ooh, an RX-7. Really nice car. This is a Mercedes. I think it's an ML. Not really sure. I don't know my Mercedes that well. We have a motor, an electromotor, a motorcycle, a BMW. And then we have a Ford Escort Martini, a Ford Taxi. We have a screwdriver made in 1962 worth $1.5 million. Next we have a Classico Collezione Ferrari Formula 1 car. These are everything in this collection, I guess. A Viper GTS Coupe. A squashed M3 DTM. Then we have a Corvette Chevrolet. A Panhard Levasseur 1925. It's new, you can clearly see. Stickers don't lie. Another Collezione. This is a Ferrari Daytona, I think. Oh, it's written right there. It's a 365 GTS 4. Next, a Sierra Rally. Another one of these is, oh, Fiat Punto. I actually have one of these. I drive one of these every single day. Not gonna say what I think about it. We have a Bugatti Royale, another one. We have one in the previous part. A Lancia Delta S4. Why does these boxes need to be damaged? Oh, that's such a shame. Ooh, this is a 500 F2 Ferrari from the Classico. And last but not least, from this box, it's another 166 mm car. So let's start with the next box, because I don't want to make a million more parts of this. Also gonna be the last part of this recording session because it's getting dark. Then we have a truck. This is a remote control truck, I think. Yes, it's remote control. I think the remote controller is right there. We have a Lamborghini Diablo with one door. That's a shame. Lancia Delta. I think this is an S4. Yes, Delta S4. Really nice condition. We have a book stand worth $6 million. A Ford Escort from a Matchbox. We have a Bugatti. This is the 111 million, the 11GB. Something fell out, not sure. Terrible condition, probably for parts. Then we have a motorcycle, I don't know my motorcycles. Never ridden one, never will. Mini, nice one. Then we have a Formula 1, oh, you can see the mold right there. A Formula 1 car, Lotus powered by Honda. A Burago, the Lotus 97T. Nice car. I'm gonna reposition myself because my knees are starting to hurt quite bad. Next we have, ooh, this one is broken. This is a Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 10, I think. No, it's a Subaru. I'm gonna get hate for that. This is a Subaru, but it's missing the wing, it's missing the front bits, it's missing quite a lot of parts. Next we have Alfa Romeo 155 by Martini. I'm not sure if anybody have any information about this, the builder of this car, please let me know in the comment section down below. Next, another Formula 1 car. This is a Honda, I think. This is the Williams FW08. Next we have a Lancia Rally. This one screams to be restored. Nice car. This is a Mercedes, the G-Wagon. An old one, but they really keep their value in real life. A Porsche Turbo, probably. Is it a Turbo? It's a 911 Carrera. Yes, Carrera. Then we have a Mercedes, the CLK 320. With a Camaro. This is a stock car, I think. Then we have a ABC Express. I'm not really sure if that's any, probably not. We have a front wheel from a motorcycle. Really interesting. Next we have a Mercedes. This is a CL500. Nice. Right here we have another an XJS Jaguar. Then we have at the front of them, we might have a complete motorcycle. That's amazing. We have a Citroën Xara, I think. Is it a Xara? Yes, it's a Xara rally car. Something I want to get into in rally, but I'm just too much of a pussy to do it. Then we have a forklift. We have a Volvo. This is a no-name brand. It's a nice Volvo. Next on the Formula 1 car. This is the Williams 2014 car. You can see the evolution of the Formula 1 cars right here. 2014, 2008. That one, no, that one. Next, oh, let's go to my knees again and reach in. We have a Ford K. Awesome. And last for this part of the video, let's see. Let's stick with this one. This is a Mercedes, a DTM car. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, watch the previous parts in the description down below, and hope to see you in part 1.6 million for this massive unboxing. Bye.